Hi guys, this video is to work on the warm-up and how to do that. If you don't know how to do that, we did it last year, we might remember it. But we see this warm-up exercise assignment on Canvas, but it is not part of your grade. This is just for the online only students so that you guys have a better idea of what we did in class, just for help. Now, if I were to click, I'm going to click on this right here and it opens up the violin warm-ups. I'm just gonna move this down here and I'm gonna scroll down. You see that's number 3 and then box number 4 and box number 5. We are going to go to the third page to number 21. Now it looks kind of weird, but it's honestly not very hard. I have my violin here. I will do a separate video for violas just so that you can feel more comfortable with the sizing and the position of the strings. But I'm gonna scooch just a little bit this way so that you can better see my violin and my strings. Now, all of these colored lines here are the basic position. All these white lines are the high 2s, low 3s, and all that kind of stuff. So, number 21, what I'm going to do first with pizzicato, and then I will add the bow. So, first off, we're just going to go D, A, D, A. That's what these notes are right here, D, A, D, A. And then we have E, A, E, A. Now these numbers at the top tell us what finger to put down. We're just gonna go open, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go D, A, D, A. Then we put our first finger down to make the E on the D string, E, A, E, A. Second finger for the F sharp, F sharp, A, F sharp, A. Third finger for the G. And then fourth finger, we're going to reach this fourth finger up right here for the A. Now these two should sound the same. If it's not sounding the same, then we're either not in tune, our strings are not tuned, or your finger is in the wrong spot. And then we go back down. Third finger, second, first, open. Half note. And that is all of exercise 21. Now we know what our left hand is doing. We're going to add the bow. And in this portion, we want to make sure that our bow is staying in the center between the bridge and the fingerboard. And we're just going to go back and forth, down, up, down, up. And that's the warm-up. For those of you that think or find this a very simple and easy warm-up to do on your own, I challenge you to try being able to do it by keeping your fingers down and tunneling, making sure that our fingers are curved enough and it doesn't touch the A string, because if your finger touches the A string, even just a little bit, it doesn't vibrate as well. So focus on tunneling, focus on amazing bow hand. Keep that pinky curved. Okay. Keeping the pinky curved. Try working on not looking at your fingers. And if you have it memorized, I highly encourage you to play it in front of a mirror. Play it in front of a mirror and look at yourself as you play. Do you look like an amazing violinist? Do you have beautiful posture? Okay, so that's the violin video on how to play exercise number 21. Have a great playing time.